Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel 4G Aquatics. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignment, exam, quiz, or complete course through my WhatsApp and email. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Assess, writing, and many more courses. I will provide you A plus grade in your all assignment, in your all quizzes, in your all complete course. I will provide you professional work and no plagiarism. I am handling many students' courses from USA, Canada, and UK. Please contact me for your any help through my WhatsApp and email. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. First, we will focus on the title of assignment, Excel for Aquatics. Okay, and you can see project description to get idea about your project. Okay, now moving on. Customer 1, open the Excel workbook, student Excel 4G Aquatics XLS. Basically, in this question, we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. You can download this file from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from my portal Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Okay, you can see this my Excel workbook. I have also downloaded this from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. Now moving on question number 2. In question number 2, click cell A2 and then insert a recommended pivot table by choosing the blank pivot table option in the lower left corner of the dialog box. Add the month field to the filter area, add the pool field to the rows area, and then atom field to the columns area. Place the amount field in the values area and then close the pivot table field list. Move field as necessary so that they are placed in the correct areas. Okay, basically in this question we will click on cell A2 and then insert a recommended pivot table by choosing the blank pivot table option in the lower left corner of the dialog box. Okay, recommended pivot table by choosing the blank pivot table option in the lower left corner of the dialog box. First we will move to the Excel workbook. Okay, and then click on insert tab. Click on insert tab and then click on pivot table. From pivot table is that existing worksheet is cell A2. Pivot table, choosing blank pivot table. Okay, click on recommended pivot table and then you can select this blank pivot table. Okay, okay, then left corner, add the month field to the rows area, filter area, month field to the filter area, and pool field to the rows area. Okay, we will have to move the pool field to the filter area, pool field to the filter area. Okay, and then atom field to the column area, and we will have to move the column field, atom field to the column area. Okay, this is done. Place the amount field in the values area and then close the pivot table. Place the amount field in the values area. Amount field in the values area. Okay, and then close the pivot table field list. Okay, we will have to close the pivot table field list. Okay, simply close that. Okay, now moving on customer 3. I have done two customer this assignment right now. Customer 3 is that format the values in pivot table using the number categories to display 0 decimal places at the 1000 separator. Change the pivot table name to PT1. Okay, format the values in the pivot table using the number categories to display 0 decimal places and then 1000 separator. Moving on Excel workbook. And then click on field setting. Okay, Right click on this and then open, click on sum of amount and then click on view field setting. Okay, first we will select number categories, okay, and then decimal place 0 and then select 1000 separator. Okay, then press ok. This is done. Now change the pivot table name to pt1. Okay, you can change the name. Is that good? Okay, pivot 2 to pt1 and then save it. This is done now. Okay, now moving on, customer 4 is the insert slicer for the pool and atoms field and then filter by the tropics pool and spa fields. Move the pool slicer so that its upper left corner aligns with the upper left corner of E3. Move the atom slicer so that its upper left corner aligns with G3. Make a copy of this worksheet. Rename the copy versus tropics pool and then on the on Tropics spool sheet, click in the pivot table and change the pivot table name to PT2. Okay, basically in this question, first we will insert a slicer for pool and atom field and then filter by the tropics. Okay, moving on Excel workbook and then insert a slicer. Click on insert tab and click on slicer and select pools and atom field. Okay, select pool and atom field. Okay, then press OK. Slicer will be inserted here. Move the pool slicer so that upper left corner. And then filter by the tropics pool and spa fees. Okay, with tropics pool and spa fees is here. Okay, this is done now. Move the pool slicer so that its upper left corner aligns with the upper left corner of E3. Move the pool slicer so that its upper left corner aligns with the upper left corner of E3. Basically in this question, in this step, we will move the pool slicer to the cell E3. Right click on pool slicer or you can move this on cell E3 or you can cut and paste in each cell E3. Okay, upper left corner in cell E3. This is done now. Move the atom slicer so that its upper left corner align with G3. Okay, basically in this step we will move atom slicer to cell G3 in upper left corner. Make a copy of this worksheet. Rename the copied worksheet tropics pool. Okay, we will have to make a copy of this worksheet. Right click on this sheet 1. Make a move or copy and click create a copy and then press OK. Copy will be created. Okay, rename the sheet as tropics pool. Rename the sheet as tropics pool. Right click on this and then rename as tropics pool. Okay, this is done now. And then on tropics pool sheet, click pivot table, click in the pivot table and change the pivot table name to PT2. Okay, we will have to change the pivot table name to PT2. Pivot table, change the name pivot table PT2. Okay, click on pivot table analyze, click on pivot table analyze and then we will change PT1 to PT2 and then press enter. This it will be done. Okay, I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on customer 5. In customer 5, display sheet 1, clear the filter from the slicer and remove the slicer from the worksheet. Rename the sheet to Q Ramneo. Rename the sheet name as 2Q Ramneo. Okay, first we will display sheet 1 and then clear the filter from the slicer and remove the slicer from the worksheet. Click on sheet 1 and then clear the filter from slicer. clear the filter from slicer. Okay, you can clear filter this, it will be clear, and then click on atom slicer and then click clear the filter. Okay, and remove the slicer from worksheet. Rename the sheet 2Q revenue. Okay, you can copy this name 2Q revenue. First we will remove the slicer from worksheet. Okay, click on slicer, right click on this and remove pool. Click on remove pool, slicer will be removed. Right click on item slicer and click on remove item. Okay, slicer will be removed from sheet worksheet. Okay, then rename the sheet to as 2Q revenue. You can select this 2Q revenue and then right click on this and rename as 2Q revenue. On this sheet is rename this name. Okay, this is done. Now moving on question number 5. I have done 4 questions of this assignment right now. Sorry, I have done 5 questions of this assignment right now. Now moving on question number 6. In question number 6, insert a pivot chart using the stack column chart tab. Move the chart to new sheet and then name the chart sheet 2Q revenue chart. Okay, basically in this question we will have to insert a pivot chart using stack column chart tab. Insert a pivot chart using stack column chart tab. Okay, click on insert tab and then click on pivot chart. Okay, column pivot column chart. Insert tab is stack column. Okay, chart will be inserted here. Okay, you can contact me for your complete course through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I will provide you a plus grade in your all assignment, exam, quiz and complete course. I am handling many students courses. Please contact me through my WhatsApp and email. Apply the chart layout 3 chart layout. Moving on Excel workbook, then click on chart and then click on design and then click on quick layout. Apply this layout 3 chart layout. Okay, then add center data labels and then if the field button display center data label, click on data label and then select center data label. Okay, data label will be centered. Hide all of the buttons. Data label. Okay, and then if the field button display, hide all field button. Right click on this. Okay, hide all field button. Okay, and the chart title tab second quarters aquatics from revenue. You can copy this title and click on chart title and then tab chart title second quarters. You can copy and paste here second quarters from revenue and then insert a custom footer with the file name in the left section. Okay, click on page layout, click on margin, click on custom margin, click on header footer, click on footer and you left your file name in the left and then save it. Okay, I have done 80% of this assignment. For remaining question or you want to read for a complete course, you can contact me through my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my PC screen. I can do all online courses, accounting, finance, math, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, access and many more courses. I will provide you a plus grade in your all assignment and your all quizzes in your complete course. I will provide you professional work, no plagiarism. I am handling many students courses from USA, Canada and UK. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Best of luck. Thank you so much.